Introduction to Biology. Hi there. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of biology. Biology is the science that studies life and living organisms. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest whales, biology helps us understand how living things work and interact with their environment. 2. Characteristics of living things. Share some key characteristics. They are made of cells, have metabolism, grow and develop, reproduce, respond to stimuli, and adapt over time. Let's break these down a bit more. 3. Levels of organization. A pyramid or hierarchy showing cells, tissues, organs, systems, organisms, and ecosystems. Life is organized in different levels. It starts with cells, the basic units of life. Cells form tissues, tissues make up organs, and organs work together in systems. All these systems function within organisms. These organisms interact with each other in communities, ecosystems, and the entire biosphere. 4. Scientific methods. Biologists use the scientific method to explore the world. It starts with an observation, leads to a question, and then to a hypothesis or educated guess. After that, experiments are conducted. Data is analyzed, conclusions are drawn, and results are shared with others. 5. Introduction to cells. Cells are the building blocks of life. There are two main types. Prokaryotic cells, like bacteria, which don't have a nucleus, and eukaryotic cells, like those in plants and animals, which do. Cells have different parts, like the nucleus, mitochondria, and ribosomes, each with specific functions. 6. Basic genetics. Genetics is all about how traits are passed from parents to offspring. Genes are found on chromosomes and determine characteristics like eye color or height, which is organized into genes.